Welcome back to Bear Cave Reviews. Papa Bear here, and today I am bringing you a new unboxing of a Croton watch that I just picked up this weekend. I literally picked this up Saturday afternoon, impulse buy. It was fairly inexpensive, and I was looking at it and thinking, why not? So let's get into it. First of all, as you see, it comes in this really cool Croton case that has a nice face here, leatherette type thing. So pop it open here, and let's see what comes in here. We've got an instruction manual for all different Croton things. We don't need that. And here's the case, nothing else in there. Put that aside, put this aside. When I tell you it was brand new, it still has the plastic on. I haven't even taken it off yet. I figured I would just wait. But let me just take a look here. The model number is CA301152. It is a dive watch. At least it looks like a dive watch. It does not have a screw down crown. It's 40 millimeters wide, 12 millimeters thick. Probably a mineral crystal, Japanese quartz movement. It does say 20 ATMs. It's got a really nice bezel, unidirectional, 120 click, as you can hear, and it lines up. It's got a little bit of backplay, but again, I don't think this is really a dive watch, just meant to look like it. It does have the signed Croton logo right there on the crown, and some crown guards there, some nice brushed and polished. So let me go ahead and take the plastic off this. I haven't sized it, nothing, so just give me one moment. All right, that took longer than I had expected, so let's put this on. Again, it hasn't been sized. Oh, I still got a piece of plastic on here. Hasn't been sized yet, but this is just an unboxing, and then we'll do an initial impression on it. So there it is on my wrist. Fits really nicely. I'm gonna have to take out a few links on this bad boy, but just a really nice simple dial, date complication, quartz, so you know it's gonna be reliable. And again, I will be doing a full review on it soon. Just wanted to bring it out of the box and show it off a little bit. I think it's really nice look. It's got a brushed and polished bracelet, which I like it. You know, it's got the standard press stamped clasp there with the fold over Croton signed on it. Solid back. Doesn't have solid end links, but again, that's okay. This one I think might look good on a NATO as well, so we'll give it a shot there. And again, this is the Croton CA301152 quartz movement. Just it says Croton Aquatic. Really nice looking watch, and it's got a pretty decent lume, and I do know that just because I tested it once, but I haven't done a lume shot. I will get that in the full review when I do that. So thanks for watching. I will be back with this in about a month, maybe less, depending on how much I wear it. I'm going to get it sized this week. I just didn't have time to do it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.